In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an Amazon gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add items to your cart, apply a gift card to your account, make sure that balance is used at checkout, and place your order with confidence. Start by heading to Amazon and signing in to your account. Being signed in is important because your gift card balance is tied to your account, not to a single device or browser. Once you're in, shop as you normally would. Add the items you want to your cart, making sure you've chosen the correct size, color, or quantity where it applies. You can use gift cards on a wide range of items, including many digital and physical products, and your final total will reflect any promotions or shipping you qualify for. When you're ready, go to checkout. On the payment section, look for the option labeled Amazon Gift Card or Balance. Selecting this tells Amazon to use any available gift card funds on your account for this purchase. If you already have a balance, you'll usually see the amount displayed here. If you haven't added a gift card to your account yet, pause for a moment and go to Account, then Gift Cards. This opens the place where you redeem your code. Enter your gift card code carefully into the box provided. Typing it in exactly as shown helps avoid errors. When you click Apply to Balance, Amazon will confirm that the code was accepted and will update your gift card balance right away. Gift card funds are stored on your account for future use, and once a code is redeemed, it can't be moved to another account. Now return to checkout. You can go back using your cart or the checkout link. In the payment section, confirm that Amazon gift card or balance is selected. You should see your updated balance reflected here, and it will be applied to your order total. If your balance covers the full amount, you're all set. If it covers part of the total, the gift card will apply up to the available balance, and the remainder will be handled by your selected payment method on file. Review your order details one last time so everything looks right, then place your order. You'll receive an order confirmation, and you can also check your orders to see the amount deducted from your gift card balance. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and fast.